In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn thousands of dollars using short quiz videos like this. And I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. So this is how this works. So once people go through this video, all they simply need to do is to guess the correct answer to that quiz. And once they go through all the questions in that quiz, we will be sending them to our CPA offer link, which they are going to see as a reward for getting the answers correctly. So I'm going to show you how to create and set up everything in today's video and start making money as a complete beginner. And I can assure you a lot of people are willing to participate in this quiz as people like to give their opinion. So I'm going to show you how to capitalize and make money with this. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first step is coming over to canva.com, and this is where we are going to be creating our quiz in less than 1 minute. All right, so once you come over to Canva, all you simply need to do is to type in quiz in the search box. So once you search for quiz, you're going to see various quiz templates that's already been made available to you by Canva. But keep in mind, there are several templates that are specific to a niche, and there are also other templates that are general templates, which means you can use them for any niche of your choice. And this now brings us to our next step, where you want to select any niche of your choice. So I recommend to pause this video and go through this list, and you want to pick any niche of your choice and you want to use it to make money with this method. So for me, I am going to be taking the video game as an example, and that is because we have a template already for this niche. But like I said, you can go for other generic templates that can be used for any niche. All right, so I'm going to be taking this game template as an example. So all I simply need to do is to click on this template. And once you click on it, you want to then click on customize this template. So once you click on that template, then you want to come over to this section that says apply all 10 pages. So once you click on that, you want to then simply come over to duration. So once you click on duration, it's going to show you this play button. And as you can see, you can edit any part of this quiz to any niche of your choice. All right, so now if you go through this template, you can see this is the first question right here, and you can see this is the second question. As you can see, this is the third question. So which means this quiz template has 3 questions in total. So the next step is to simply come over to ChatGPT, as we are going to be leveraging a power of ChatGPT to make this quiz and to get more information. So all you need to do is to then type in, give me top 10 retro games. So now we are going to take one of the games as an example, which is Super Mario, which brings us to the next question we are going to be asking ChatGPT. As you can see right here, give me 10 Q&A quiz for Super Mario with 4 options and state the correct answer. All right, so this means you want ChatGPT to give you 10 quizzes and also provide you the answer. All right, so now if you come over here, you can see ChatGPT provided us all 10 questions, and it also includes the answer as well. So you can see the first question right here, which says, what year was Super Mario released? So all I simply need to do is to copy the question. You can see the correct answer here is 1985, as stated by ChatGPT. So once you copy the questions, all you just simply need to do is to come back to Canva, and you want to come over to the first question, and you want to simply double click on it and paste in the question right there. It's that simple. And now you want to come over to the options as well, and you can type in the options as well. So this is how easy it is, just simple copy and paste. So I'm going to add all the 3 questions and I'll be right back. So you want to make sure to preview the quiz by clicking on this play button, and you want to make sure everything is correct. All you simply need to do is to then click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, you want to then scroll down to where it says download, and you want to click on this drop down button, and you want to select MP4 video. Once you do this, you want to then simply click on download to download the video to your device. So once the video is downloaded, you want to start promoting this video across social media platform. And that brings us to the sponsor of this video, which is proxies.io. And I'm going to leave a link to their website in the description. They are a fast and reliable proxy provider starting for as low as 13 cents. And they have 24 hours customer support, which means if you have any questions or if you encounter any problem, they are more than happy to help you out. And they have various type of proxies from IPv4 proxy and IPv6 proxy, which is the most suitable for social media tasks. And if you scroll down here, you are going to see their various pricing. And just like I mentioned, their proxy start for as low as 13 cents. All right. So if you scroll up here, you're going to see various countries that you can get proxies from different plans, as you can see right here. All you simply need to do from here is to click on buy. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can use this slider to select the number of proxies you want. All right, you can select the period you want it, be it 30, 60 or 90 days. And here you want to then select the country you want that proxy from. All right, so I'm going to take Brazil as an example. So whenever you select any country you want to work with, you want to then simply come over here and type in your email address. All you simply need to do is to click on this button, and you want to select your payment method. As you can see, you can pay via cryptocurrency, you can pay via credit card and MasterCard if you want to do that. If you have any questions, all you need to do is to click on the chat button right here, and you can reach out to them via Telegram, or you can chat with them directly on the website. And like I said, they will be glad to answer all your questions and also help you out if you encounter any problem. So moving on with the video, you want to come over to reddit.com because most of its traffic is from tier 1 countries like United States, Canada, and UK. All right, so if you come over to Reddit, all you simply need to do is to type in keyword related to whatever niche you are working with. You are going to see various retro subreddit that we can use to promote this quiz. So the best one here is retro gaming. You can imagine how much you can make even if a small percentage of these people complete CPA offers. So all you simply need to do is to first of all join the subreddit. And once you join the subreddit, you want to then click on create a post. So it's going to bring you to this page. All you simply need to do is to click on images. And if you do this, you'll be able to upload videos as well. So you want to click on upload. So you can see the video has been uploaded and it's working fine. So you want to type in something simple like this. Let's have the true retro fans. How many of these questions you can get correctly? Comment your answer down below. All right. So if you do this, you are definitely getting people to engage with this post, as a lot of people are already interested in this niche, and many of them are going to tell you how many of the questions they are able to get correctly. All right, so once you do this, this is all you need to do, and you want to simply click on post. And 99% of the time, your post is not going to get deleted, as you are not outright promoting anything on the subreddit. And to maximize your earnings, you want to also go over to Facebook as well, and you want to type in retro game. All right, so if you do this and you want to click on search, you want to make sure to filter to groups. And once you do this, you are going to see groups that are dedicated to people who are interested in retro games. As you can see, this one with 71,000 members, this one with 59, this one with over 100,000 members. So all you simply need to do is to join all of this group as well. So once you join all of this group, you want to repeat the same thing. You want to come over to where it says post or write something. And this is where you want to also upload that video. So once you upload the video to the Facebook group, you want to type in the same question as well. As you can see, the video also works fine on Facebook. All right, so all you then simply need to do is to also click on post. And also you can see right here, this group is a very active community. Just 3 hours ago, this post was made. You can see over 77 comments and over 420 engagement. And I can assure you, most of these people in this group are from tier 1 countries, as you can see right here. Okay, so all you simply need to do is to follow this method as stated in this video, and you will definitely get amazing results. So once you posted the quiz in the Facebook groups and in the subreddit, you want to come back to your OJ Ads account, or you can use CPA Grip to replicate this strategy. Any of this network 100% works fine. But I'm going to take OG Ads as an example in this video. So once you do that, you want to come over to tools, and you want to come over to where it says smart links. So if you click on that, all you simply need to do is to click on create a smart link. And you want to come over here, you want to give your smart link a name. You want to come over to this section that says direct URL. So this is really not important, but you want to come over to Google and you can type in Super Mario Bros quizzes. And this is where you are going to get some quizzes as well. And you can simply redirect people to this website. So all you simply need to do is to copy the link to this website and you want to come back to your OG ads account, and you can paste in the links right here. So once you do this, then you want to go over to the offer section. You want to click on add offers. So as you can see, most of these offer here are from tier 1 countries. As you can see, this one from Canada, from UK, from Canada as well, Australia. And all you simply need to do, you're going to see an add button right here. So you want to click on the add button to add these offers. This means once people click on the smart links, they are more likely to be shown these offers. And once they complete the offers, you make money. So you want to do the same thing for the second page as well. And if you come over to the second page, you're going to see we have United States offer right here. Okay. And also if you scroll down here, you can see this is also another US offer, and you can see the payout over $2. So once you X out of that, as you can see, you've added about 10 offers. All right. And these are sweepstake offers. And once you do this, all you simply need to then do is to click on create smart link. So all you then need to do from here is to click on action, and you want to click on edit details. So once you click on edit details, you're going to see your smart link right here. And all you simply need to do is to copy this smart link. And you want to go over to cut.ly or any URL shortener of your choice. And you want to paste in the shortened link right here. So once people have started making comment on the quiz, on Facebook and on Reddit, you want to over to the profile of those people making comments, and you are going to see this chat button. So all you simply need to do is to click on the chat button. So once you click on the chat button, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to type in a very simple post like this to people who have made comments on that quiz. All right, okay, your exclusive retro gaming gift is just a click away, and this is just to get people to click on this link, which is going to take them to the top performing CPA offers on the network, and they are more likely to convert because we already know people in that region are already completing that offer. So once you do that, all you simply need to do is to click on send. You want to do the same thing on Facebook as well. All you simply need to do is to come over to people who made comment on the post, and you want to click on message. So once you do this, you want to simply paste in the same exact comment. I can assure you that a large number of these people would click on this link, and some of them would convert.